All right, hey guys. So popping in real quick, just to talk over, tell you what I'm doing. I had deep conditioned my hair overnight with the Joico K-Pack deep conditioner, and didn't really like how it made my hair feel. Wasn't soft, didn't really feel moisturized. Detangling was not easy. My hair typically is not very hard to detangle, but yeah, I wasn't feeling it. That was a little length check for you. And then here I had just rinsed it out, and you see my face, I'm still not feeling it. Then I just went in with some of that Curl Love leave-in moisturizer or leave-in conditioner to go ahead and put some moisture in my hair before we went on with the rest of the process. And then here I'm just detangling it, and as I'm detangling, I'm kind of just pushing the hair backwards to kind of get it ready for that low ponytail. So detangling and at the same time brushing the hair all back to where I'm going to position my ponytail. Now I'm going in with this Camille Rose Naturals Buriti Nectar Repairing Oil, and just using this to kind of be a shield for the mousse and gel that's going to go on top to slick all of this stuff down. So as you can see, this TWA of mine is not long enough to get all into a ponytail, so we're gonna go in with some products to help it lay down. Now I'm just positioning where I'm going to have my side part in my hair, and yeah, you'll see the process. I think you know how to make a part, but yep, that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going in with this Cantu Shea Butter mousse, and you're about to see the most epic fail of epic fails. I don't use mousse, guys. This is a new thing for me, so don't judge the fact that I didn't know that I was supposed to shake it up. Okay, moving on. Is this mousse supposed to come out liquefied? Or am I supposed to shake it up?
You have to shake it.
Oh!
And I'm dead.
Helps having a teenager around to help you with these things. Okay, and then here I'm just going in with my brush to kind of smooth that down and to really work the mousse into my hair to start the process of laying those hairs down and getting them to kind of form the way that I want them. Y'all see my little baby pony? Y'all see it? Okay, so now we're going in with some Eco Styler gel, and this is gonna do the heavy lifting per se. We're gonna use this to just lay everything down, and you'll see I just will put this all over the hair, make sure it's nice and smooth, and it gets pretty nice and smooth with just putting the gel on. So my hair is not very hard to lay down, but I am still gonna go in with my brush in a second here, just for good measure, to make sure that it's all laying down the way that I want to, that it's extra smooth, and that those hairs are not going to budge when I take my scarf off in the morning. So here I am just doing what I was saying, smoothing that hair down with the brush, and I was showing you there, this brush does have two sides, and one side is stiffer than the other, and I am using that stiffer side. It is sped up right here, so it may look like I'm going fast, but I'm being very gentle, especially around my edges because that side is pretty coarse. And of course, gotta go in and lay the edges down. And that's what I'm doing here, just kind of going on with my toothbrush and smoothing out those edges. And then you'll see here in a little bit that I had one hair on the other side where my part is that just didn't want to lay down. It just did not want to be obedient. It felt like giving me a hard time, but in the end, we got it done. That hair was so annoying. I don't know why I didn't just grab some more gel. I mean, I do know I was trying not to put too much gel around my edges because I knew that was an area I was going to have to touch up probably a few times before I washed my hair again. So I didn't want to put too much product there and get product buildup or just, add too much gel on those already delicate hairs. But hey man, it eventually laid down and that's all that matters. Now this is the end for now until we add the ponytail. I like to use two scarves. One, I concentrate more on my edges, and then the second one is just to kind of cover everything else. So that's what you see here. And then with the magic of editing, boom, here we are. And the next day, with my makeup did, I'm showing you here that I eventually moved that scarf because it was hurting my ears, and washing my face, taking a shower, those edges kind of came up a little, but I'm not gonna lay them back down because I just didn't feel like it. So this is the rest, or this is what it looked like when I took the scarf off. My scarf got stuck in a spot right there where I guess there was too much gel and got a little flaking, but we're gonna fix that later. Okay, so this was my second attempt. I decided not to put the first clip in, but the first time I did not flip my head over before I put the ponytail on, and it just kind of felt like it was falling off, hanging underneath the ponytail, and I had to use some of the hair to like wrap around to try to make it more secure and to cover the ponytail, and it was just not worth it. So I just completely started over and did another round. And then here I'm just going in and kind of securing some spots, pinning a few of the hairs down just to give it a little more stability, security, and structure. But you don't have to. The ponytail holder is probably enough. I just want to be extra sure that I wasn't going to lose my ponytail if I did a little shimmy. And again, always nice to have a teenager around. This is my daughter helping me to kind of just fluff out the ponytail a little bit, just so it looks a little more natural and not so defined curls, but not too much because you don't want to give too much frizz. So remember that flake from earlier? Yeah, we're going to go in with one drop of the oil, the Camille Rose Natural Oil, and just rub it over there to get rid of that. And here's the final product, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!